Hair is simple in structure, but has important functions in social functioning. Hair is made of a tough protein called keratin. A hair follicle anchors each hair into the skin. The hair bulb forms the base of the hair follicle. In the hair bulb, living cells divide and grow to build the hair shaft. Blood vessels nourish the cells in the hair bulb, and deliver hormones that modify hair growth and structure at different times of life. Today we will share with you how to grow hair faster in a week. Homeremedies.Hair Growth Miracle Treatment Vertical Bar Thicken Hair. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification, so that you will never miss any of my video. So first we need lemon juice. Lemons contain many other nutrients that strengthen the hair follicles and encourage new hair growth. Naturally acidic, lemon juice can deeply cleanse the scalp and hair follicles, restore healthy pH levels, and remove buildup of product, oils, and pollutants. Second, we need tomato. Tomatoes contain important vitamins like A, B, C and E, which are excellent stimulants for healthy hair. These vitamins help prevent hair loss, give natural shine and help treat scalp odor and dandruff. Eating about 4 to 5 tomatoes a day ensures you have great hair health and shiny dresses to show off. Third, we need coconut oil. Stimulates hair growth. Coconut oil is a natural way to help your hair grow longer, thicker, and faster. The vitamins and essential fatty acids naturally found in coconut oil nourish the scalp and help to remove sebum buildup from hair follicles. Mix it well. Mix it well. Ready for apply on your hair. How to use. Apply on hair and leave it 3 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse hair by normal water. Apply only 3 days in a week. Apply about 3 to 4 weeks to get result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.